There's something about Colorado that just gets it right. The air clears your head. The mountains remind you why you started doing this. And the projects, some of the best you'll ever work on. But here's the thing. Between client meetings, permit reviews, and getting construction docs out the door, the parts you actually love about architecture can get lost in the chaos. What if there were a way to bring that back? That's what LynxPros does. We're drafters who support architects and designers. When your project heats up and you need more hands, we jump in. CAD drafting, Revit modeling, renderings, whatever's on your plate. The difference? We actually understand the work. So you're not spending hours explaining what a wall section is or how your office does things. When deadlines pile up, you bring us on. When things calm down, you don't. No full-time salaries, no hiring headaches, no training someone for months. You choose what works, pay by the hour, by the project, or keep us on retainer if you want consistent help. Most firms end up saving 20 to 40% compared to hiring in-house. But honestly, the bigger win is having bandwidth again. Time to design, time to think, time to give your team space to breathe. In Colorado, we build with balance. And with LynxPros on your side, you can too.